Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, December 17th. Today, I'm going to read another essay from Mark Nepo's Book of Awakening, and then we're going to do a short meditative reflection around it. This essay is called We All Fall Down, and it starts with a Hindu invocation. Lead us from the unreal to the real. It was a snowy night, and Robert was recalling the time 2 springs ago when he was determined to paint the family room. Up early, he was out the door, to the hardware store gathering the gallons of red, the wooden mixing sticks, the drop cloths, and the one-time brushes that always harden, no matter what you soak them in. He mixed the paint outside and waddled to the door with a gallon in each hand, the drop cloth under his arm, and the wide brush in his mouth. He began to chuckle and telling what happened. I teetered there for minutes, trying to open the door, not wanting to put anything down. I was so stubborn. I had the door almost open when I lost my grip, stumbled backward, and wound up on the ground, red gallons all over me. At this point, he laughed at himself, as he has done many times, and we watched the snow fall in silence. I thought of his little story the whole way home. Amazingly, we all do this, whether with groceries or paint, or with the stories we feel determined to share. We do this with our love, with our sense of truth, even with our pain. It's such a simple thing, but in a moment of ego, we refuse to put down what we carry in order to open the door. Time and time again, we are offered the chance to truly learn this. We cannot hold on to things and enter. We must put down what we carry, open the door, and then take up only what we need to bring inside. It is a basic human sequence: gather, prepare, put down, enter. But failing as we do, we always have that second chance to learn how to fall, get up, and laugh. So now let's do a little reflection around it. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your mind, your heart. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Allowing your breath to be soft and natural. Find a sense of spaciousness in your breathing, so that all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, emotions, thoughts, can simply flow through you, easy, without struggle. And now bring to mind some threshold you are having trouble crossing in your life. It might be at work, at home, in a relationship, or it may be the doorway to greater peace. Whatever it is for you, breathe steadily and look to yourself to see if you are carrying too much to open that door, to cross over the threshold. What can you put down so that you can cross to the other side? Breathe slowly, and with each exhale, imagine putting the things you are carrying down. And then imagine that now you can open the door and enter, crossing that threshold that you need to cross. Now bring your hands to your heart, and with a lot of gratitude for yourself, a lot of compassion for your shortcomings, remember that you are human, and it's a basic human sequence. Gather, prepare, put down, enter. And if you fail to do so at times, as we all do, remember that you always have that second chance. You can always begin again. You can always learn how to fall, get up, and laugh. Remembering this, start sending yourself the energy of loving kindness. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel protected, cared for, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. And now gently let go of your practice, and as always, take a few moments to notice what's going on for you physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you right now, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to reflect some more on this. What threshold are you having trouble crossing in your life? What needs to be put down so that you lighten your load and be able to cross over to the other side easily without struggle? Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.